CES was all digital this year. That means we missed out on walking the floor and enjoying a lot of really cool products in our hands. To make up for that, some of the companies have sent us some of the products to check out at home. First up is the PetCube camera. Now we have an article, which I'll put the link below, going into more depth about their products. But the PetCube camera is all designed for people who can't be home but still want to be able to interact and check on the condition of their pets. Now let's open up this bad boy and see what's inside. It's a nice box there, feels kind of recycled. A lot of little papers. So of course, you have the little guides here. We have English and we have French. We got some little doodads here. And then here is the camera. Okay, so you can see it's pretty small in its size. It pivots around. It's got a little dock here that it sits into. And then here is your cord to plug it into power. And this is supposed to be a little magnetic ring for you to secure it to. A lot of people don't have places in their house to put things like this, especially if you're worried about your pet running around and knocking things over. So this little disc, you basically remove the little sticky film here, and you can put it underneath the countertop, and then you can put the camera right there, angle it, so that way it's dangling upside down. Pretty cool feature there. That way you're able to really kind of get a good look at your animals, and then you don't have to worry about, you know, them knocking it over, especially if it's up higher, so that can normally go. Inside here, we have the power box right here, the little thing you plug a USB into. You know, we get so many of these days, but this one here works directly with this, and it's pretty low profile, which is pretty cool because I know, you know, when you have a lot of things to plug in, having something low profile that doesn't take up all that space is always a good thing. And then some silica packets. Now, if you have pets, make sure to properly throw these away because that can really mess up the stomach. But all in all these products are pretty cool. I'm actually going to delve into the app and show you a little bit of that real quick, just so you can kind of see how that works out. It's pretty awesome. It's low profile, it connects, and then also if you check out our article, we do talk a little bit more about the vet chat, which is a really awesome feature for people who are worried about their animals. You can connect 24/7 with a vet. Check out more of our videos coming out for products from CES, and we'll see you guys next time.